Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will present to you our system design and deployment guide, building a secure and scalable infrastructure, presented by yours truly, Maisel Colopano, Abidin Bulong, ako sa Mayan, Bawanin Angelica, Hataas Julina, Milyasica Angeline, Pascual Cristalin, Bautista Angelo, Lares Robert, and Annie Quinones. So let's proceed to the discussion. So let's proceed to introduction, objectives, and overview.
Design and deploy a robust, scalable, and secure infrastructure. Ensure high performance, data integrity, and system availability. Implement strong security measures and ensure compliance with best practices.
Also, it is focusing on setting up servers, user management, network architectures, and security protocols to meet the growing demands of the organization.
Server setup. Highlights of server configuration. Highlights of configuration. Hardware, 16-core CPU, 64 GB RAM, 1 TB SSD. Software, Ubuntu Server 22.04, Docker, MySQL Apache. Server type on-premises and cloud-based solutions for flexibility. Key setup steps: install operating system, configure hosting tools, implement security measures. User management. Key aspects of user roles and permissions. Number 1. Key aspects of roles and permissions. Administrator. Full access for system, setup, and maintenance. Regular users. Editors and viewers. Number 2. Authentication mechanisms. Password policies. Strong passwords, regular updates, and account lockouts. Multi-factor authentication. Additional security with physical devices or biometrics. And lastly is account creation and monitoring process for adding users and reviewing access levels.
Networking, network diagram and implementation details. Network diagram, visual representation of the hybrid network on premises and cloud. Implementation details. IP addressing, static IP for servers, dynamic IP for client devices. Firewall and routing configuration. ACL and routing rules for secure traffic management. Network testing tools like Wireshark to monitor traffic and ensure reliability.
Oh,
Security. Summary of security measures. First is access control. Role-based access control to ensure secure user permission. Next is threat mitigation. It is antivirus software, intrusion detection system, and proactive security monitoring. Data encryption. AES 256 for data address and TLS 1.3 for secure communication. And last is backup and recovery. It regulars backup and disaster recovery plans to
challenges, overview of obstacles and solutions. First, we have the obstacle. So we have a resource constraint where server overload during peak usage. It is the one who, if there are a lot of users are being accessed by the network, there are some time there are overload during the peak usage, and then the security threats, risk of unauthorized access, and data breach. So in this obstacle, the security threats were in there are people who access the system or the database or the server without authorized permission. So the data is breaches by that um, unauthorized people. We have the challenges overview of obstacle and solution. Also we have a solutions. So we have two solutions here. We have implemented load balancing for peak usage. So here we will add load balancing or other server for to access or to accommodate other users need. And then the conducted vulnerabilities assessment and applied real-time security patches. Here the solution is just to assess or assess what are the vulnerabilities in the system in the server, so that it is easily um, being solution have a solutions for that. And then also for the next
Conclusion, summary, and final recommendations. Summary. Successfully build a secure, scalable, and flexible infrastructure that integrates cloud and on-premises resources. Implemented strong security protocols, efficient networking, and robust user access controls.
Conclusion, summary, and final requirement. At this part, we are here to final recommendations, which is continue regular monitoring, expand cloud resources, and ensure growing user training. Implement AI and machine learning for proactive threat detection and network performance optimization.
So that's it for our report in this topic. And then here is the concluded or the conclusion of our research. And that's it. Thank you.